In this episode of Sailing Doodles, the boys see their grandparents. We take the boat out for a sunset cruise at the Cabo Arch. We drive some UTVs through the Baja desert. And we celebrate New Year's. Is there a New Year's Eve kiss? This channel is funded by viewers like you. Check out sailingdoodles.com to find out how you can become a patron and get access to our live tracker. And check out our new podcast. It's available from most podcast distributors. You want to go see your grandparents? You want to see your grandparents? Yeah? I think they want to see their grandparents. All right, come on, boys. Okay. Hey, man. All right, let's go see your grandparents. Go see your grandparents.
Hi, Junior. Hi. Let's see. Hi. Hi, babies. Come here. Come here. Let me see. Hi, baby. Hi, sugar. Oh, yeah, I'm top liver, I know, guys. I know.
Jack says hi.
I knew I'd be chopped liver.
Hey, how are you?
Good. I've been here.
What are you doing?
Hey, good to see you guys.
Who's this?
Dogs were pretty excited to see you.
Yes, they are. They're so happy. They're so happy to see their mama. Hi. Sugar?
Shortly after my parents arrived, a couple of viewers, Jason and Jenna, showed up to sail with us for a few weeks.
Bye.
Welcome, Jason and Jenna.
Yeah. Looks like a party already. Hello.
All right, everybody, thank you for joining us here. It's a little sunset cruise here in Cabo. And you guys, cheers.
Thank you. Cheers.
Give us one.
Thanks for having us. Yeah.
Welcome, guys.
Welcome.
It was the perfect evening to meet with family and new friends and check out the sights. All right, so on our little sunset cruise, we're spotting whales. After the sun set, it was time for some hot food and some cold drinks. There are always lots of boats out for sunset cruises, including this pirate ship with its own show. The next morning, we set out to the desert for a little bit of adventure. Alright, we're at Pikachu's Adventures. We got a couple razors we're gonna go cruising around on. It should be a lot of fun. First, we had to get kitted up and prepared for the dust. Somehow, Laura can even make a fanny pack look good. What do you think, Laura?
I love it! Arm wrestle you for who's gonna drive? Paper, rock, scissors.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you lost! Oh, no. We didn't catch that on video, though, so sorry.
Because it didn't happen.
It's the sign of the times. Bitter taste
right, guys. Successful day. Picachos.
Cheers.
We didn't film much while my parents were here, but sadly, after a few short days, it was time to send them home.
Of course. It's so nice.
Well, glad you came down. Stay longer next time. Come back in a month or whatever, we'll still be here.
Okay. Bye, boys.
Say bye to your
Hey,
granddaughters.
hey, hey. Come here. Bye, shoes. Bye-bye. Bye, boys.
All right. You be careful. Take
You'll come back next month.
care of her and the dog.
I will.
Oh, thank you. Aww.
I think we were all sad to see them go. The next night was New Year's Eve, so it's time to find some fun. Please click like and subscribe, and we really want to thank our patrons for making all of this possible and helping us to continue to make videos. And please check out our new podcast. Give it a listen and a review. It really does help.